Glyco Vista is marketed as a wellness supplement designed to support healthy blood sugar levels, metabolism, energy, and overall metabolic health. The marketing can make it sound like an easy way to keep glucose under control, but the real question is, what doesn't the marketing say? Now, to be fair, certain vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds have been studied for their potential role in glucose metabolism. But that doesn't mean a supplement like Glyco Vista can prevent or treat diabetes. What it does well: easy to take. A daily supplement can be convenient for people who prefer capsules or similar formats over making major changes to their routine. May provide nutritional support. Depending on its ingredients, it could provide nutrients or plant compounds associated with normal metabolic function. Where the hype falls apart: it's not a diabetes treatment. A supplement shouldn't replace prescribed medication, blood glucose monitoring, or medical care. Evidence depends on the ingredients. Even if an individual ingredient has shown potential in research, that doesn't prove the finished product produces meaningful improvements in blood sugar. Healthy blood sugar claims can be vague. Marketing language doesn't necessarily tell you how much a product actually changes glucose levels. So, should you buy Glyco Vista? Short answer: be cautious about the claims. If you're considering it for general nutritional support, look closely at the complete ingredient list, dosages, and evidence behind those ingredients. But if you're trying to manage high blood sugar or diabetes, don't rely on a supplement as your primary treatment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.